Don't show up.
Welcome back to GMA3. Everyone has certain legal rights they're entitled to, but do you know what they are, and do you know how they can actually protect you?
Well, I got a chance to sit down recently with top defense attorney Sara Azari, break down the most searched legal questions on the web. Here's our conversation. You know, if you ever have to hire an attorney, you're probably in trouble, or at least you think you are, right? But help with the initial part of that process. Just calm down, right? First of all.
Right. It can be overwhelming, DJ, you know, and I think we all run to Google as the first friend, right? But the best referral comes from another attorney that you may have worked with in a different matter, right? And the second best referral comes from a friend who may have had, you know, a similar issue and is happy with the outcome. But never, ever stop at consulting with one lawyer. You don't go to the first cardiologist to get a bypass surgery. You should not go to the first lawyer with your legal matter. So consult. Now we're doing Zoom for free for 15-20 minutes. Talk to the lawyer, feel them out, look and make sure they're not disciplined by the state bar, because there are those lawyers too. Look at their track record, their win record, and then make an informed decision. And never go with cheap, because if a guy's charging you $2,500 with the other lawyers are telling you $10,000 to $15,000, that's a red flag that that guy's not going to do anything for you. So never go for cheap. But that's my best advice.
Okay, and again, even though it does feel overwhelming, still it is a little work. Is
yes,
what I'm
some investigation, some homework.
All right, now a few questions here. First one up here, breaking down some of the most searched questions, legal questions, and here's one. I got a DUI when I was younger, and I'm having trouble getting a job because of my record. Is there anything I can do?
I can't tell you how many calls I get about that. And this is, most states have laws around expungement, which is a petitioner motion to dismiss a prior conviction or charge. And most states have these laws, and it applies mostly to misdemeanors, but also some felonies can be reduced to a misdemeanor and then expunged. One thing I want your viewers to know is that the charge doesn't just completely disappear, okay? It's still on your criminal record. If there's law enforcement search, if you're arrested again, if you're applying for a state license, if you're running to be the next president of the United States, that record will be there. But it's great for private background searches, because if you're trying to get a job, it'll shield from visibility. Okay,
well, so I guess this kind of goes with, do records ever get cleared on their own? On their own, or you have to put some work in here?
There you got, no, you got to remember to go back, even if it was a DUI from 20 years ago, and take some steps. Unless you're a juvenile, then when you turn 18, it's sealed. And by the way, this expungement is one of the least expensive legal services you can get from a criminal defense lawyer. It's like a couple $100.
Okay, all right, another question here. What is a living will, and when do I need to make one?
So a living will, you need to have one yesterday, okay? Everyone has to have one.
No matter what age.
No matter what age, we're vulnerable. We walk out the house, we don't know if we're going to fall ill, we don't know if we're going to get hit by a car. Morbid, nobody wants to think about it like that, but it can happen to all of us. And it's also known as an advanced healthcare directive. It is a document wherein you state what your consent is to certain procedures and whether you want to decline them or receive them if you're incapacitated. So, you know, you need to have one. It's important. It's temple driven. You can get it on LegalZoom. You can get it on Rocket Lawyer, and then make sure you designate an agent, give it to the agent who can give it to the hospital or the doctor should you need it.
Well, this sounds like it's something you do for yourself, but this is really something you do for your family as well.
Absolutely, to alleviate that burden and that dispute, you know, of what you want.
On this one, on the living will, is this something you need a lawyer for?
You actually don't, because it's so template driven. It is something that you can just get online. If you have a lawyer for your probate, you know, for your last will, usually you'll throw it in there. But otherwise, it's something that you can just do for $20-30 online.
Okay, one more we want to get to here. Final question. If law enforcement shows up at my door asking about a crime committed in my area, am I obligated to comply?
Zip it up.
Wow.
There is no good that can come from speaking to law enforcement. They're trained to be, I mean, this is not Law and Order. This is real life. They're trained to come and make you speak. You don't know if you're a witness. You don't know if you're a subject. You don't know if you're a target. So you just very respectfully decline and say, look, I'm going to have my lawyer call you. Law enforcement is probably the only breed that carries a business card these days. Get their business card, call a criminal defense attorney, let them shield you and buffer you, and then find out whether you will speak or not. But speaking in that first encounter is a huge mistake, because you really don't know how they're viewing you.
But the folks will push back here saying, look, there's an officer at my door. I don't have an attorney on standby somewhere. Just ask me some questions. I know I'm innocent, so why not just answer their questions?
That's probably one time where it's okay to lie and say you have an attorney, even if you don't have an attorney. When they leave, you call and get an attorney. And then let that attorney advise you as to what is happening. You know, is it okay for you to speak? Is it not? You know, never ever speak to law enforcement without knowing more, because they're going to tell you all kinds of lies to make you speak, and it's never a good idea.
Okay, and let's put this in context. This is the only time you should lie to law enforcement, okay?
Right. It's okay. It's a white lie. It's a little white lie.
All right, Sarah, it is good to have you here in studio. Everybody, Sara Azari, great advice for folks out there. Thanks so much. All right, of course, a big thank you again there to defense attorney Sara Azari. And coming up here on GMA3, giving holiday gifts that are helpful to the planet.
And you hear him there. He put out his last Christmas album 20 years ago. Chris Isaak is here with a classic performance, and looks like he's busy backstage cutting his band members' hair. He'll explain when we come back.